Nothing ruins a calm summer evening faster than mosquitoes. You step outside to relax, and within moments you're swatting, itching, and losing your peace. Chemical repellents often smell harsh and can be irritating to your skin, not to mention unfriendly to the environment. The good news is that nature has already provided a solution. With the right plants, your garden can become a living mosquito barrier. Certain herbs and grasses release natural scents and oils that mosquitoes absolutely hate. Even better, these plants are attractive, low maintenance, and protect your space around the clock. Stick with me until the end for a few simple tricks that can make these mosquito-repelling plants even more effective. 1. Basil, the culinary herb with hidden powers. Basil usually brings to mind pasta dishes, fresh salads, and fragrant pesto. But beyond its role in the kitchen, basil is also a surprisingly powerful natural mosquito repellent. Unlike some plants that only work when burned or crushed, basil repels mosquitoes simply by growing. Its strong, aromatic scent forms a natural, invisible barrier that insects avoid. This protective effect comes from essential oils, such as estragol, eugenol, and citronellol, all of which mosquitoes find extremely unpleasant. That makes basil a perfect two-in-one plant, delicious for cooking and highly effective at keeping pests away. Experienced gardeners often place basil pots near patios, doorways, and outdoor dining areas. You can enjoy a mosquito-free meal while picking fresh leaves for dinner at the same time. Some basil varieties are especially powerful. Lemon basil and cinnamon basil are particularly effective, as their sharper, spicier aromas are even more offensive to mosquitoes. Planting several basil types together increases both fragrance and protection. Basil thrives in full sun and nutrient-rich, slightly moist soil. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to grow thick and bushy. One important tip is to remove flower buds as soon as they appear. Once basil starts flowering, leaf production slows. Frequent trimming keeps the plant focused on producing aromatic leaves. For extra protection, basil can also be turned into a natural mosquito spray. Simply boil fresh basil leaves in water, strain the liquid, and once cooled, mix it with a small amount of vodka or witch hazel. The result is a gentle, plant-based repellent that smells fresh and works well on skin and outdoor furniture. As an added bonus, basil also helps repel houseflies, making it ideal for summer barbecues and picnics. 2. Lemongrass, a living citronella shield. Lemongrass is both elegant and powerful. With its tall, flowing leaves and clean citrus scent, it brings a tropical look to any garden, and serves as one of nature's most effective mosquito deterrents. Native to Southeast Asia, lemongrass has been valued for centuries for both medicinal use and insect control. That familiar citronella scent found in candles actually comes from lemongrass. The plant contains citronellol, a compound that disrupts mosquitoes' ability to detect human scent. When planted near patios, walkways, or seating areas, lemongrass creates a natural green shield that mosquitoes instinctively avoid. Unlike candles or sprays that wear off quickly, live lemongrass offers continuous protection throughout the season. Lemongrass loves warmth and full sun, growing best in USDA zones 9 to 11. In cooler climates, it does very well in containers and can be brought indoors during colder months. With proper sunlight and watering, it can grow up to 4 feet tall, adding height, movement, and a lush tropical feel to your outdoor space. Here's a useful gardener's trick. Lemongrass doesn't just work passively. If you crush a leaf or stalk, the essential oils are released instantly. Rubbing the crushed plant lightly on exposed skin can provide quick, natural mosquito protection. Some gardeners even extract their own citronella oil to make homemade repellents. And lemongrass offers one more major benefit. It's edible. Widely used in Thai and Vietnamese cooking, it adds a bright citrus flavor to soups, curries, and teas. Planting lemongrass not only protects your garden from mosquitoes, but also enhances your kitchen with fresh, aromatic ingredients. 3. Lemon balm, the gentle powerhouse. Lemon balm, a close cousin of mint, is often called a gentle giant because of how mild it feels and how powerful it actually is. Its fresh, lemony aroma comes from citronellol, the same compound that gives lemongrass and citronella their mosquito-repelling strength. That scent may be pleasant to people, but to mosquitoes it's completely overwhelming. This herb is famously low effort and highly adaptable. Lemon balm grows happily in full sun or partial shade, tolerates a wide range of soils, and spreads quickly once established. In fact, it can grow so enthusiastically that many gardeners choose to keep it in containers to prevent it from taking over garden beds. When lemon balm leaves are crushed, their essential oils are released instantly. These oils can be rubbed directly onto the skin for a quick, cooling, and natural mosquito repellent. Lemon balm also works beautifully in homemade remedies. Steeping the leaves in hot water creates a calming herbal tea, while the cooled infusion can be poured into a spray bottle and used on outdoor furniture, doorways, or clothing. For even stronger protection, lemon balm pairs well with other aromatic herbs like mint and basil. Planting them together creates a compact, fragrant herb garden that mosquitoes instinctively avoid, while still being attractive and useful for everyday cooking and teas. Beyond pest control, lemon balm has a long history in herbal medicine as a calming herb. It's been used for centuries to reduce stress, support relaxation, and gently lift mood. A cup of lemon balm tea at the end of the day helps you unwind, keeping your body calm and your outdoor space mosquito-free at the same time. 4. Marigolds. A colorful line of defense. Marigolds are often overlooked as simple decorative flowers, but behind their bright yellow, orange, and bronze blooms lies a powerful natural defense system. These cheerful plants produce pyrethrins, natural compounds so effective at repelling insects that they're still used as the base for many modern insecticides. Marigolds release these compounds naturally into the air throughout the growing season. Mosquitoes strongly dislike the scent of marigolds. When planted thoughtfully, they create what gardeners call a living barrier, a fragrant boundary that insects avoid crossing. This makes marigolds especially useful along garden edges, around patios, near vegetable beds, and by walkways. In addition to mosquitoes, marigolds also deter aphids, nematodes, and whiteflies, helping protect nearby plants. Many farmers plant them near crops like tomatoes and beans to reduce pests without relying on chemicals. Marigolds thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, and are among the easiest flowers to grow. With minimal care, irregular watering, and occasional removal of spent blooms, they'll continue flowering from spring until the first frost. Gardeners often place them near doors and outdoor seating areas, allowing their scent to drift naturally and keep mosquitoes at a comfortable distance while adding vibrant color to the space. Here's a gardener's secret. Combine marigolds with basil or lavender. Together, these plants form a layered scent shield that mosquitoes find impossible to tolerate. As an added bonus, marigold petals are edible and can be sprinkled into salads or infused into oils. Bright, hardy, pest-repelling, and even useful in the kitchen, marigolds truly earn their place as one of the most valuable plants you can grow. 5. Lavender, the calm that keeps mosquitoes. Away lavender has been treasured for thousands of years, not only for its graceful beauty, but for its incredible range of uses. Ancient civilizations valued it deeply. Egyptians included it in sacred rituals, Romans infused it into their baths, and healers relied on it to soothe both body and mind. Today, lavender remains a garden classic, admired for its soft purple flowers and its powerful ability to repel mosquitoes naturally. Lavender's effectiveness comes from its essential oils, especially linalool and linaloyl acetate. These compounds are deeply relaxing to humans, often associated with better sleep and reduced stress. But to mosquitoes, they are intensely unpleasant. When lavender is planted near doors, windows, patios, or outdoor seating areas, it forms a fragrant, invisible barrier that insects avoid, while people enjoy its clean, calming aroma. This plant thrives in full sun and prefers dry, well-drained, slightly sandy soil. Lavender dislikes excess moisture, so it's important to avoid overwatering or planting it in areas where water collects. Once established, it becomes drought-tolerant and requires very little care. Gardeners typically prune lavender after flowering and lightly in spring to keep the plant compact, healthy, and full of blooms. Here's a simple gardener's trick. Gently rubbing lavender leaves or flowers between your fingers releases concentrated oils that can be applied directly to the skin for quick, natural mosquito protection. Lavender also repels moths, flies, and even fleas, making it useful far beyond the garden. Many people dry lavender bundles to hang indoors. They look beautiful, smell wonderful, and continue to deter insects long after harvesting. Lavender isn't just a decorative flower, it's a living, fragrant shield that protects your space while filling it with peace, elegance, and timeless charm. 6. Mint, a cool scent. Mosquitoes can't stand. Mint is instantly recognizable by its sharp, cooling aroma, refreshing to people and completely intolerable to mosquitoes. This effect comes from menthol, a powerful compound that disrupts mosquitoes' ability to detect human scent and carbon dioxide, making it much harder for them to locate you. Mint grows aggressively and spreads quickly when planted directly in the ground. Because of this, experienced gardeners usually grow it in pots or raised containers. This keeps it under control and allows you to move the plants wherever protection is needed most, around patios, entrances, windows, or outdoor dining areas. Mint can also be used directly as a natural repellent. Crushing fresh leaves releases their oils, which can be rubbed onto the skin for immediate cooling protection without harsh chemicals. For a simple homemade spray, boil mint leaves in water, let the liquid cool, and mist it onto clothing or outdoor fabrics before spending time outside. There are many types of mint, each offering slightly different benefits. Peppermint contains the highest level of menthol and is the strongest mosquito deterrent. Spearmint provides a milder, sweeter scent, while chocolate mint adds a subtle dessert-like note. Planting several varieties together creates a lush, aromatic display that doubles as an effective insect barrier. Mint's benefits go far beyond mosquitoes. It also repels ants, fleas, and even rodents, while remaining one of the most useful herbs in the kitchen. From teas and cocktails to sauces and desserts, mint brings freshness and flavor to countless dishes. Easy to grow, highly versatile, and incredibly effective, mint truly earns its place as one of the most powerful and practical plants in any garden. 7. Catnip. The plant mosquitoes. Avoid at all costs. Catnip is one of the most intriguing plants in the garden because it creates completely opposite reactions in different creatures. Cats can't resist it, yet mosquitoes want nothing to do with it. This powerful effect comes from nepentolactone, a natural compound found in catnip's leaves and stems. Scientific studies have shown that nepentolactone can outperform DEET, the most common chemical repellent, by a wide margin, making catnip one of the strongest natural mosquito deterrents known. Despite its impressive power, catnip is incredibly easy to grow. It thrives in full sun or partial shade, tolerates a wide range of soil conditions, and requires very little maintenance. Once established, it returns year after year, spreading into a soft, aromatic plant that mosquitoes instinctively avoid. Planted along patios, walkways, or outdoor seating areas, catnip creates a natural border that insects rarely cross. Its pale green foliage and small white or light purple flowers add a gentle, almost wild beauty to the garden. The only real challenge with catnip comes from curious cats. Feline visitors may roll, chew, or nap in the plants, sometimes flattening them. To prevent damage, many gardeners protect young catnip plants with light fencing or wire covers until they grow strong enough to handle the attention. For even stronger mosquito protection, catnip leaves can be dried and crushed to release concentrated oils. These oils can also be infused into alcohol or carrier oil to create a simple homemade repellent that's natural, effective, and safe to use outdoors. Catnip is a plant of remarkable contrast. Playful for cats, elegant in the garden, and downright terrifying to mosquitoes. If you're looking for one of the most powerful plant-based mosquito defenses available, catnip may be the ultimate secret weapon. 8. Rosemary, a fragrant fortress. Rosemary is one of the most iconic herbs in history, valued for thousands of years not only for flavor, but for symbolism and protection. In ancient Greece, it was linked to memory and wisdom, while in medieval times, rosemary smoke was believed to cleanse the air and protect against illness. Today, rosemary remains a kitchen staple and a surprisingly effective mosquito repellent. Its strong, woody aroma comes from essential oils such as cineole, camphor, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds smell warm and savory to humans, but are overwhelming and confusing to mosquitoes. This makes rosemary an ideal plant for areas where people gather, offering comfort and protection at the same time. Rosemary loves full sun and well-drained soil and thrives in dry conditions. Once established, it requires very little watering and maintenance. It grows well in pots, raised beds, or directly in the ground, and can be shaped into compact bushes or decorative hedges, making it both practical and ornamental. Here's a smart outdoor trick. Toss fresh rosemary sprigs onto hot grill coals or a fire pit. The fragrant smoke adds rich flavor to food while driving mosquitoes away from the area, while turning pest control into part of the experience. Rosemary can also be turned into a simple natural spray. Simmer fresh sprigs in water, allow the liquid to cool, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. Used on outdoor furniture, patios, or garden borders, it creates a pleasant, chemical-free mosquito barrier that freshens the air as it works. 9. Sage, the guardian of the fire. Sage has been valued for centuries, not only as a healing herb and flavorful seasoning, but also as a plant of protection. Long before modern repellents existed, people relied on sage to purify spaces and keep unwanted pests away. Its strong, earthy aroma may feel grounding and comforting to us, but for mosquitoes, it's overwhelming and impossible to tolerate. Sage protects in two powerful ways. When grown in the garden, its natural essential oils create an environment that discourages mosquitoes from settling nearby. But its real strength is revealed when the leaves are dried and burned. Tossing a handful of sage into a campfire, fire pit, or even onto hot coals releases aromatic smoke that repels insects almost instantly. Campers and backyard hosts have used this trick for generations to create peaceful, bite-free evenings under the stars. This resilient herb thrives in full sun and prefers dry, well-drained soil. Once established, sage is extremely low maintenance and drought tolerant, making it ideal for gardeners of any experience level. Its soft, silvery green leaves add texture and contrast to garden beds. And when planted alongside rosemary, it forms a beautifully scented and highly effective insect-repelling combination. For added protection, sage leaves can be dried and bundled into simple smudge sticks. When burned slowly, they act like natural incense, gently perfuming the air while creating a mosquito-free zone without chemicals or harsh odors. Clean, earthy, and effective, sage is proof that ancient plant wisdom still works perfectly today. 10. Geraniums, colorful scents that keep bugs away. Geraniums are famous for their bright, cheerful flowers, but certain varieties offer much more than beauty. Scented geraniums, especially those with citrus-like fragrances, serve as natural mosquito repellents. Their effectiveness comes from essential oils such as citronellol and geraniol, which confuse mosquitoes and interfere with their ability to locate human scent. These plants work effortlessly. Simply growing them nearby allows their fragrance to drift through the air, masking the signals mosquitoes rely on while adding vibrant color to patios, balconies, and garden edges. They're especially useful in places where people relax outdoors, providing protection without any extra effort. Geraniums thrive in containers, making them easy to move wherever mosquito activity is highest, near doors, windows, or seating areas. In cooler climates, they can be brought indoors during winter, allowing you to maintain your natural insect defense year after year. For the strongest effect, citronella-scented geraniums are the top choice. Many gardeners combine them with herbs like basil, lavender, or mint to build a layered scent barrier that mosquitoes won't cross. For quick on-the-spot protection, lightly crushing a leaf and rubbing it on exposed skin releases fragrant oils that are gentle, refreshing, and surprisingly effective. Beautiful, adaptable, and practical, scented geraniums prove that your garden can be both a visual delight and a powerful, natural shield against mosquitoes.